recovered some of our losses, made $544 across the evaluation accounts. It was a nice London session, so I thought this would be the best time to stop with the trading. So $544. We had a beautiful long, actually quite at the beginning of the London kill zone, and it made a new historical high. So I took that trade. The second trade, which I closed a little bit earlier, was actually here based on my entry model. It was called out during the London stream. I was actually stopped out from this one because my stop was a little bit tighter. And the third trade was the Russell, which I closed a little bit earlier, and also a beautiful entry, beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward entry. I don't know what to say about this, because I thought I'm gonna wait for some more positions or news, but it's Friday, it's the first day of the month and the last day of the week, so why should I risk it? I could have done better. I could have actually held the Russell trade a little bit longer, but I closed it early. I really didn't want it to finish the Friday in the red, so that's all I can say about this. Let me show the accounts. The account recap. As for now, the Bulenox account, let's start with that. The Bulenox account is up to, let's see, $151 up to $51,898. The MFFU futures account is up $128 up to $982 in profit. The first Apex account is up to $1,077 with $136 profit, and the second Apex account, which I'm copy trading, is up to $195 and it's $129 profit. So overall $544. Could have done better. If I would have held it with the Russell, I could have made back easily my losses from yesterday. So that's another example for me that I need to trust the system. I need to trust the model. And this is something I really have to work a lot on, because only by playing out the edge without emotions can help me through on days like yesterday. But anyway, I think it was a great week. I don't even know overall how much was it. Maybe I'm gonna do on the weekend a recap about the whole week, but it was great. So, and also started the competition with my funded futures. That's gonna be a different topic, but it was great. So looking forward for next week. Subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and share your comments. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the live streams.